Hi, my name is Madison Lightbody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed today's empty apartment tour. It's going to be a tour of the whole apartment. I really just want to give you guys an idea of what I'm working with from the beginning. I'm going to show you the kitchen, the living room, the bedrooms, the whole 9 yards, but it's a pretty self-explanatory video. I'm just showing you an empty apartment, so I'm not going to do a voiceover to the whole thing. I think you guys will get the gist of it. I just wanted to show you what I was working with and show you kind of a before of what this place looked like. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching.